Stop everything you are doing right now and pay attention, because the camera industry may have just entered a completely new era. For years, photographers have been stuck in the same endless debate. Do you buy a fast APS-C camera for extra reach and portability? Or do you spend thousands more on a full-frame flagship body for professional performance? That argument might officially be over. Massive new leaks surrounding the upcoming Canon EOS R7 Mark II are painting a picture of a camera so powerful, so advanced, and so aggressively positioned that it could completely reshape the market in 2026. This is not a routine refresh. This is not a simple upgrade with a few extra megapixels and slightly faster autofocus. According to supply chain reports, FCC certifications, and internal testing information, Canon is preparing something that feels shockingly close to a miniaturized flagship camera. Insiders are already calling it the Baby R1, and once you look at the rumored specifications, it becomes very easy to understand why. Biggest story by far is the sensor. Earlier rumors suggested Canon would simply refresh the original R7 with another standard 32-megapixel APS-C chip, but the latest leaks suggest something dramatically more ambitious. The R7 Mark II is rumored to feature a completely new 39-megapixel backside illuminated stacked CMOS APS-C sensor. That single sentence alone changes everything. A stacked sensor is not just another marketing buzzword. It represents one of the biggest technological leaps in modern camera engineering. Most standard sensors read information relatively slowly, which creates problems when shooting fast action electronically. This delay causes rolling shutter, where fast-moving objects become warped and distorted. Sports photographers know the pain very well. Baseball bats bend unnaturally. Soccer balls stretch into strange shapes. Birds in flight look like their wings are melting. The original R7 was fast, but rolling shutter could still become a problem in difficult situations. The R7 Mark II appears ready to eliminate that weakness almost entirely. By using stacked sensor technology, similar to Canon's flagship EOS R3 and EOS R1 systems, the new camera should be capable of reading data at incredible speeds. That means vastly reduced rolling shutter, dramatically improved burst performance, and much cleaner electronic shutter shooting. The rumored numbers are absolutely staggering for an APS-C camera. Reports indicate the R7 Mark II may shoot up to 40 frames per second with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking active for every single image. Think about how insane that really is. At 40 frames per second, the camera is continuously analyzing focus, exposure, subject movement, and scene recognition while firing a stream of high-resolution photographs. That level of speed used to belong only to elite professional cameras costing well over $5,000. Canon now appears ready to bring that performance into a much smaller and more affordable body. Of course, raw speed means nothing if the camera's internal processing cannot keep up. That is where the rumored dual-processor configuration becomes extremely important. Leaks suggest the R7 Mark II will combine the standard DIGIC-X processor with Canon's newer DIGIC accelerator chip. This extra processor is designed specifically for advanced autofocus calculations and AI-assisted tracking performance. In practical use, this could make the camera feel almost supernatural. Canon's latest autofocus systems already rank among the best in the world, but the R7 Mark II may push things even further. Reports suggest the camera will inherit advanced action priority autofocus modes previously reserved for flagship bodies. The system can reportedly identify specific sports and intelligently predict player movement based on the nature of the game itself. In soccer, for example, the autofocus could prioritize players actively approaching the ball. In basketball, it may anticipate movement toward the hoop. For wildlife shooters, the improvements could be even more dramatic. The camera is expected to lock onto birds hidden behind branches, track animals moving unpredictably through forests, and maintain precise focus, even during continuous 40 FPS shooting bursts. For photographers who spend hours chasing unpredictable action, this could be a total game changer. Canon also seems to have listened carefully to user feedback regarding the physical design of the original R7. While the first-generation camera delivered impressive performance, some users criticized its unconventional control layout. The combined rear wheel and joystick arrangement divided opinion heavily among enthusiasts. According to new leaks, Canon is abandoning that setup entirely. The R7 Mark II reportedly features a more traditional joystick placement, similar to the highly praised R6 series. The body itself is also rumored to be noticeably larger, offering improved ergonomics, better balance with large telephoto lenses, and a more professional overall feel in the hand. For sports and wildlife photographers who often spend entire days shooting outdoors, comfort and handling matter enormously. The upgraded weather sealing is another major improvement. Early reports suggest Canon is targeting true professional-grade durability, allowing photographers to confidently shoot in heavy rain, dusty trails, muddy conditions, and freezing temperatures without fear. Storage performance is getting a serious upgrade as well. One of the biggest frustrations with high-speed cameras is buffer clearing speed. A camera can shoot massive bursts, but if the memory system cannot keep up, the entire experience becomes frustrating. Canon appears determined to solve that issue with a much more professional storage setup. The R7 Mark II is rumored to feature one CFexpress Type B slot alongside one UHSEI SD card slot. This combination makes perfect sense. The CFexpress card provides ultra-fast write speeds necessary for handling enormous bursts of raw files and high-resolution video recording, while the SD slot offers affordability and flexibility for backup recording or less demanding workflows. This means photographers should be able to shoot hundreds of high-resolution frames without worrying about the camera slowing down or freezing during critical moments. Video creators also have plenty of reasons to be excited. If the leaks are accurate, the R7 Mark II could become one of the most capable hybrid cameras Canon has ever released at this price level. Reports point toward full 8K UHD recording capabilities, along with uncropped 4K 120 frames per second video. That last detail is especially important. Many cameras force heavy crops when recording high frame rate video, effectively changing the focal length of your lenses. The R7 Mark II reportedly avoids this problem, allowing creators to maintain their full field of view even while shooting cinematic slow-motion footage. Combined with Canon's C-Log 3 support, improved dynamic range, and rumored internal cooling upgrades, the camera could become a serious tool for professional content creation. Whether used as a B camera for cinema productions or as a primary camera for YouTubers and documentary filmmakers, the flexibility here looks extremely impressive. As for pricing and release timing, all signs currently point toward an official reveal sometime in late May or early June of 2026. Pre-production testing units are reportedly already being evaluated in real-world environments, which usually means an announcement is very close. The price is expected to land near the $2,000 range, representing a noticeable increase over the original R7's launch price. However, considering the rumored stacked sensor, flagship-level autofocus, 40 FPS shooting, advanced AI tracking, CFexpress support, and 8K video capabilities, the value proposition still looks extremely strong. Canon seems to understand that many photographers no longer want to carry huge full-frame bodies if they can achieve similar professional results from a lighter APS-C system. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II may become one of the most important cameras of the year. It appears designed specifically to destroy the outdated idea that APS-C cameras are somehow less professional. With flagship autofocus technology, elite burst shooting speeds, advanced video features, and professional-grade durability packed into a more affordable body, Canon could be preparing the ultimate camera for sports, wildlife, and hybrid creators alike. For photographers who constantly shoot fast-moving action, this may end up being the single most exciting camera release of 2026.